friends, welcome to the room tour of Radisson Prayagraj once again. I have come here after 1 year. As soon as you enter, on the right hand side you have these almirahs and stuff. On the left hand side you have bathroom. There is no place to keep card key, and this is the big mirror. You have hand wash and hand and body lotion, 2 glasses, and you have some delightful dental kits, comb, shaving kit, shower cap, vanity kit, and sanitary bag. You have this tissue paper box, this small mirror thing, and towel, overhead shower, hand shower. Let me see what you have here: body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. And this is the toilet area, and you have beautiful depiction of Allahabad city. So now on the right hand side again you have this tea coffee station. You have this locker, and below it you have this small mini bar which is empty, and most of the mini bars are empty after COVID. This is one giant mirror, full size mirror, and TV, and you can see the main room, the overall room. Very decent, very beautiful, and minimal design, and pretty. Let's see the view. View is again insane. Again you can see the bridge, some river, this beautiful depiction of Allahabad city's monument, and you have this see-through situation going on in the bathroom. Of course you can close the curtain from inside. You have these bottles. I just love these pendant lights. Somehow I'm a big fan of pendant lights. And you have phone, and you have a notepad, a very thin one, but you have pencil. And okay, so this is the list of the movie or the TV channels that are there. So let's see what we have in the drawer. So this looks like some menu. Let me open it up. Delightful. Everything is very delightful over here. So you have this fitness center room. So you have the information about the hotel, and you also have the food menu here. You can just quickly check out or pause the screen and you can take a screenshot. So okay, so allergen indicators and everything is also mentioned. So it's nice. So friends, okay, I'll take you to the room tour again. And this is our couch, table, working station, and I just absolutely love Radisson Hotel's design, the decor theme. It is in sync with what I like in a design, like minimal design and good quality design, and that looks beautiful. Okay, so as soon as you enter, on the right hand side you have this almirah, in which there is this iron table, iron, hangers, laundry bag, some slippers and shoe shine, and space to keep your things. So this is something that I've forgotten to show. I don't know what that is. If you know, please tell me in the comments. So friends, that's it for today. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome content. Thank you.